Okay, this video is how to take apart a flat screen TV. This is a nice one too. So, I found this on the street, so that's why I really don't care about it. And I learned last night that you see AC, that means alternating current. That's how AC/DC was formed. From alternating current and direct current. AC/DC. And see, this is the side that I showed you in my earlier video. Or I'll show you in my later video. This is all the plugs that you saw. And yeah, I already took apart half the screws, like the base is right there and everything, so I'm just gonna have to do only a couple screws. And I wouldn't recommend using one of these in the inside, just because it's electricity and it will fry the circuits.